Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by securing the essentials: a compatible GPU or cloud VM and a clean Python environment. Create and activate a virtualenv so dependencies don't clash. Once done, clone the chosen Ghibli-style model repository and place your reference images in a labeled folder. Make sure to check model README for specific package versions. This avoids runtime errors later. You're initiating the pipeline now, not tweaking aesthetics yet. Get the runtime and inputs correct so training or inference runs predictably. Now install dependencies using the repository's requirements file and pin versions if conflicts appear. Download the pre-trained Ghibli-style weights and verify checksums to ensure integrity. Once done, edit the configuration. Set data paths, batch size to match VRAM, random seed for reproducibility, and style prompts that capture Ghibli traits. Make sure to run a short test job, a single batch inference, to confirm the pipeline loads weights and writes outputs without crashing before committing to long. Execute inference using your configured script and inspect first outputs closely. Tweak prompts, CFG scale, and sampling steps to dial color, line weight, and atmosphere. Once you like results, consider light fine-tuning or a low RA pass to lock in consistent Ghibli features across images. If you hit errors, consult logs for OOM or version mismatches, free VRAM, reduce batch size, and rerun. Finally, save checkpoints and document prompt/settings so you can reproduce and iterate reliably.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.